Everyone thinks the best-selling ice cream maker is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Ninja CREME. Let's kick things off with the Ninja CREME 7-in-1 ice cream maker. Priced at $219.99, this machine caught my eye with its ability to whip up 7 different frozen treats at the touch of a button. If you want a versatile machine that delivers creamy results, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The CRME transforms frozen bases into ice cream, sorbet, and milkshakes using its unique Creamify technology. It finely shaves through the frozen pint, giving you that smooth texture you crave in just minutes. Plus, it allows you to control the ingredients, so you can create anything from healthy vegan options to decadent ice creams without preservatives. With over 4,200 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the compatibility issue with pints. This unit only works with specific Ninja pint accessories. Here's the thing though, if you stick to the right pints, you're golden. It's not a deal breaker if you plan on using it as intended. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with flavors and ingredients. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple, no-fuss machine. For its price, you'll definitely get your money's worth. Now, if that price tag made you raise an eyebrow, the next one is much easier on the wallet but still delivers great results. Product number 2, Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker. Next up is the Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker, priced at just $69.99. This vintage-style machine can make a whopping 6 quarts of ice cream, which is perfect for parties. If you want to create a big batch of your favorite frozen treats, this is definitely worth considering. What stands out here is the classic wooden design that adds a nostalgic charm to your kitchen. It's easy to use. Just fill the canister with your ingredients, switch it on, and let the motor do the work. You'll be enjoying homemade ice cream in no time. Plus, with a 4.5-star rating from over 17,500 reviews, it's clear that people love this product. However, some users mentioned that the motor can be a bit noisy during operation. I'll be real with you, it's not the quietest appliance, but it's more about the joy of making ice cream than the noise it makes. This is perfect for families who love hosting ice cream parties. Skip this one if you want a compact machine that takes up less space. For under $70, it's a fun addition to any summer gathering. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something more compact. Product number 3, Cuisinart ICE 30BCP 1ES. Now let's talk about the Cuisinart ice cream maker machine, priced at $99.95. This sleek, stainless steel beauty holds 2 quarts of your favorite frozen dessert and can whip it up in under 30 minutes. If you want something that blends functionality with a modern aesthetic, this is a great option. The double insulated freezer bowl is a game changer. It means you don't need to add ice or salt, making the process super straightforward. The ingredient spout lets you add mix-ins while it's churning, so you can easily customize your ice cream on the fly. With a solid 4.5-star rating from almost 20,000 reviews, it's definitely well-loved. On the downside, some users found it could be a bit tricky to clean, especially around the motor area. But honestly, I think the ease of making ice cream in under half an hour makes it a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for anyone who wants quick and customizable desserts. Skip this one if you're looking for a larger capacity machine. At under $100, it's definitely worth considering. Now, if you're still looking for something even more affordable, the next one will fit your budget. Product number 4, Cuisinart ICE 21RP1. Next is another Cuisinart classic, the ICE 21RP1, priced at $69.95. This 1.5-quart machine is a smaller option, but still packs a punch, making frozen treats in just 20 minutes. If you're looking for something compact and quick, this one's a solid choice. The double insulated bowl eliminates the need for ice and makes it super easy to operate. You just pour in your mixture and wait. Plus, the Easy Lock lid prevents any mess while you add your ingredients, which is a nice touch. With a 4.6-star rating from over 26,000 reviews, it's hard to argue with its popularity. That said, some users have pointed out that the capacity might not be enough for big families or gatherings. But here's the thing. If you're just looking to enjoy a few scoops at home without overdoing it, it's perfect. This is perfect for couples or small families who want to enjoy homemade ice cream without the fuss. Skip this one if you need something to serve a crowd. At this price, you're really getting a good deal for a quality machine. Now, if you love the nostalgic vibe of ice cream making, our last pick might just hit the spot. Product number 5, Nostalgia Soft Serve Ice Cream Maker. Finally, we have the Nostalgia Electric Soft Serve Ice Cream Maker, retailing at $39.99. This cute blue machine brings back memories of ice cream trucks. If you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers delicious homemade treats, this is worth a look. This machine can whip up 4 quarts of soft serve in just 20 minutes, making it a fun experience for kids and adults alike. The powerful motor does all the churning for you, eliminating the need for manual effort. Plus, with over 17,500 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that it pleases many. Some users mentioned that it may require some adjustments to get the texture just right. Here's the thing, though. With a bit of practice, you can master it and create your ideal soft serve. This is perfect for families looking for a fun way to make ice cream at home. Skip this one if you prefer traditional hard ice cream. For under $40, it's a fantastic way to enjoy homemade treats on a budget. So to wrap it up, we've looked at some great options. The Ninja Semi for versatility, Nostalgia's large capacity models for gatherings, Cuisinart for quick and modern solutions, and Nostalgia's Soft Serve for budget-friendly fun. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really depends on what you're looking for in an ice cream maker.